Senior officials from Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates have seemingly issued closely coordinated messages celebrating their historic partnership, signaling a possible effort to ease months of unusually public tensions between the two Gulf powers. Saudi Media Minister Salman al-Dosari and UAE National Media Authority Chairman Abdullah bin Mohammed Al Hamid published similar posts on X at exactly 7 p.m. Riyadh time on Tuesday. Both officials described Saudi-Emirati relations as rooted in a shared history, heritage, and destiny, guided by what they call the wise leadership of both countries. They also said the media should reflect the strength of those ties and avoid content that could undermine them. The timing and matching language suggest the posts were coordinated, although neither government formally announced a reconciliation. Saudi and Emirati interests have diverged for years across oil policy, regional influence, and security. Those differences became more visible late last year when Riyadh and Abu Dhabi supported opposing sides in Yemen's war. Tensions peaked when Saudi Arabia carried out an airstrike on what it said was a shipment of UAE military equipment intended for an Abu Dhabi-backed Yemeni faction. The dispute then spilled into the public sphere. Influential Saudi and Emirati commentators, social media accounts, and some news organizations began openly criticizing the other country, an unusual development between governments that have traditionally presented themselves as close allies. In March, the UAE blocked the X accounts of Saudi-owned television network Al Arabiya. Their strategic differences continued during the war with Iran, as the two countries disagreed over how Gulf states should respond to the conflict. The UAE's departure from OPEC in May further exposed tensions with Saudi Arabia, which has long been the oil producers group's dominant power. But regional security threats may now be pushing the two countries towards greater coordination. Gulf officials have recently called for unity among the 6 members of the Gulf Cooperation Council as they confront Iranian attacks and Houthi threats against shipping in the Red Sea. Another sign of a possible thaw emerged 1 hour before the media officials published their statements. Turki Al Sheikh, a close confidant of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, shared a photograph of Saudi Defense Minister Khalid bin Salman and UAE Vice President Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The two officials appeared smiling with their arms around each other. Al Sheikh described the image as a story of brotherly relations and a deeply rooted partnership. Anwar Gargash, a diplomatic advisor to the UAE president, responded with a proverb suggesting that unity provides strength while division creates weakness. Analyst Mohammed Baharoon described the dispute as a storm in a cup, arguing that the two countries' shared interests remained more important than their disagreements. Saudi officials did not explain what prompted Tuesday's coordinated messaging. The post did not erase the significant differences between Riyadh and Abu Dhabi, but after months of open criticism, they appear designed to contain the public dispute and project Gulf unity at a moment of mounting regional instability.